guys, welcome back. Today I have for you this halo eye makeup look, and I know that I did a halo makeup look in my previous video, but this is different. No, I just used all matte eyeshadows and I think it's gorgeous. I applied just a little bit of glitter in there because I didn't want it to be simple. So it's very flattering, especially if you have blue eyes. This red eyeshadow will make your eye color pop. And I really like how this turned out. I wanted to play a little bit more with my Dream Street palette, and also I wanted to use this eyeshadow because it's gorgeous. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright, so definitely I don't know what look I'm going for today. I just want to try these ColourPop eyeshadows because I haven't tried them yet. And also I want to play a little bit more with my Dream Street palette because I did have a few issues in my last video with this palette, but it was totally my fault. So I want to play a little bit more with this because the colors are just gorgeous. And today I want to use this Summer Side. This is matte shadow and is absolutely gorgeous. I totally want to use this eyeshadow. I don't know if I'm going to use this too yet, but I'm gonna try, okay? So I have Non-Tide and Sundance, but I don't know if I'm going to use this too because I'm going to use the palette and I have more options there, but I totally want to use this Summer Side. As I said, this is gorgeous. So yeah, let's start because I feel like I'm rolling too much. Alright, so I guess I'm going to start with Magical. And I'm going to apply that in my crease and I guess all over my lids. As I said, I don't know what look I'm going for in this video, but yeah, let's do this. And I did prime my lids with concealer and then I set them with my RCMA powder, and that's all I have on my people to vote, if someone will vote, I guess. And yeah, I'm waiting just a little bit. And if you're not following me yet on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Briogeo is following me. Isn't that crazy? I was mind blown. Isn't that crazy? Briogeo follows me. And another brand I can't remember right now, Pacifica Beauty, also is following me on Instagram. So I don't know, I'm impressed. What can I say? And what do you guys think about this Vero app? I signed up yesterday and I tried to post a picture, but it didn't work. I don't know why. So then I kind of forgot about this, and I don't know how this works. Do you use it? Let me know in the comments below your nicknames or your names so I can follow you. But I have no idea how this bottom lash line, I'm going again with Summer Side, and I'm going to focus this on my outer lid and my inner. Came out, I wanted to play a little bit more with my palette. I like the formula of these eyeshadows, and I really love these super shock shadows. And the formula of this eyeshadow is so different than any of my other eyeshadows that I have in my collection, and I really enjoy it. This blends so easily, it's pigmented, it's gorgeous. What can I say? I cannot wait to play more with my other eyeshadows that I didn't use in this video. And yeah, I think I'm going to place another haul on ColourPop cosmetics because these are bomb.com. So let me know if you're going to recreate this makeup look. Follow me on Instagram and tag me there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Summer Side, this is a matte eyeshadow, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, air freshener. Whoop, whoop.